Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crystal World Live. In last video I created for different swatches for the shimmer and glitters nail polishes of Studio West. In this video I am making a simple nail art but very beautiful with the help of dotting pen. This pen is easily available at Amazon, Meesho, and you might find it nearby store in case if they keep the nail art products. And you can see that it's very easy to use. You just need to draw the line, as maybe you can draw a straight or curl. I like this kind of wavy style, which I really like it. And you can see the look. Wait till end, and I'm sure you will love this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and wait till end. So friends, I'm now using this dotting pen on my other hand, and you can see that on the other hand I've applied the red color with some glitters on that, and this black color combination is looking very nice on this. It's very easy to use this dotting pen. It might be a little bit difficult on the first time, but from next time you would be able to use it properly, and it just get dries in few, maybe a minute or two, and you can see the look. Wait till end.